Here's how you draw trend lines as a trader. First, we need a minimum of 2 points, but ideally 3. For a bullish trend line, it's a low followed by a higher low, and for a bearish trend line, it's a high followed by a lower high. It's important to connect to a point that finished forming and reversed, otherwise you might risk connecting to a region that ends up changing. For bullish trend lines, we connect around the lows or lowest closing prices, which are more likely to act as support in an uptrend, and in a downtrend we connect around the highs or highest closing prices for a bearish trend line. It's personal preference if you decide to connect to the highest or lowest prices of each bar, or if you connect near the closing prices. Just be sure to stick to the same style. Now, the more times that a trend line is rejected, usually above 3 or 4 rejections, the more likely it is to break. But if a trend line is broken and then retests the area where it last broke the market structure, then that region may act as support or resistance again if it's rejected. Remember to use trend lines sparingly and ideally combine them with the overall market structure.